Good morning, everybody. You see who I have with me, the one and only Mike. We're going out here to get some bass. Hi. Y'all stay tuned. We're going to have some footage for you soon enough. We on them now. Y'all see the cast Mike gets made. We should be having some big crappie, some big bass coming in here sooner enough. Y'all stay tuned. There's the first one. This is what happened when we cast in the trees.
Alrighty, look what we got here.
There it is.
There it is.
Right after the rain. Right after the rain.
Beautiful. Look at the sticks in the background. Yes, sir.
Stay tuned. We got more to come. This is what happened when we cast in the trees. All right, guys, we wrapping up.
Wrapping it up.
You see the arsenal. This is what bass fishermen use. All right. This is what it is. We did what we did. I know y'all saw the video, and we had a time, and it rained on us, but we didn't give up. We kept fishing. We kept casting.
That's right.
And it produced what we wanted today. My fingers got a little numb.
Lost a few nice ones.
We lost. Oh
Oh my
gosh.
gosh, we lost a couple of nice ones, man.
Oh my goodness. I got my line broke. He didn't want to tell it, but my line got broke. His didn't. He lost a big one. Two big ones. He lost two.
I lost two nice ones.
Yeah. Two wall hangers. But we'll be back.
We'll be back. Never give up.
Never give up. Y'all stay encouraged. Keep Christ first. We'll talk
Always.
to y'all later. God bless.
Next time.